What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again with another great video, and today I don't really have anything, I don't have anything really planned as much as I usually do, but today we are going to go to Moreland Battery Exchange and go ahead and get that battery for the Mazda 3. Now, I don't know if we're going to be able to install it today because I don't know if the shop is open. It's not one of those shops that kind of directly confirms that they're going to be open on Christmas Eve. So we're going to go probably check that out first before we get the battery. Go buy the battery either or, it doesn't matter. So we can just have it. And I'm waiting on Nick right now to get here, because if it is open, he has the toolbox right now, and we're gonna need that to put the battery on and try to see if the car, runs. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I have a lot of info and a lot of more content going on, especially around this time of the year. And if you don't know, I have a 350Z and I have a Mazda 3 that is currently in the works. It is working. So hope you guys enjoy my content for today. Hope it isn't too boring. I'm going to try to spice things up a little bit more, so hope you guys enjoy. Now, today's not a video already or at all without me putting on this clutch kicks hoodie. Nice. And again, if you guys want some, let me know. They're really nice. So let me put this on real quick. Let's go ahead and get out of this house, man. The car's already been warming up for like 15 minutes. But yeah, I know you guys hear him in the background. Let me load down my stuff. Still hot mess for y'all, but go ahead and close it. It's really bright out here today, man. A lot of sunlight. That's some call for. But leave it at 320. I think that's okay for you guys. Better yet, let's go to 640. I was joking. 640 and counting. And there goes Nick. You flashing lights? Then nobody see that. Nobody see that. What is you doing? Yeah, you good? Yeah. Oh, stop. Yeah, stop. And that's Nick being here. That's how my friends are, man. That's how they all are. I wish I had the perfect setting for daylight. This junk taking way too much sunlight. We ready to go? Dang, you need a wash. That car dirty. Oh, what he got going on? Tripping. What you switching? The car's off. Mm-hmm. You make me want to get that. You make me want that. I'm dead.
I haven't even opened this since I got it.
With the toolbox? Yeah. I know that shit smell like ass.
I didn't even check before the tools was here.
True.
Show on your screen. Oh, dude.
Yeah, really showing the screen. We're on the way to go buy a car, guys. Nick's about to buy a 350Z, and it looks so ready.
Yes.
It's so hot. Pulling up right next to it, right now.
Car.
Come on, Jason. It looks so good. Like, you guys don't understand. Oh my gosh. Hey, you want to show them? Ready?
You gotta put the montage music when we get closer. Yeah. And it's an automatic.
Yeah. the battery sitting right here on the floor. Looks like it's a new battery for a Sky Active motor. And we are ready to go and see if the shop is open. I don't know if it is. Don't get your hopes up. But if not, the next time you see me post something on this video will be probably a couple days later. And let's putting that together. 240?
Yeah.
Anyways.
I didn't lock my door.
At the house?
Yes, is that good?
No.
Oh my gosh.
What, you talking about the car door? No, you straight. We don't need nobody to come in there. So, unfortunately, as we suspected, it's closed for New Year's, so we won't be able to do the battery today. So, I mean, not New Year's, but Christmas Eve. But I will continue the video onwards whenever we get to it, and you guys will see that in probably a couple seconds. Alright, good morning. It is day 2. You guys probably noticed the change up. Did my hair, whatever. Got a haircut. But we're about to go over there and see if they're open now and try to get this battery put in and see if this car's running. Z's warming up right now, so not leaving exactly right now. But yeah, got my toolbox here and got my battery on the floor there, and we're gonna see if this car runs and starts up. Keys with me. Hopefully the shop's open. It's what is it? It's the day after Christmas. You know, 2 days after Christmas. Hopefully he's there. Just thinking about doing things during the holidays. No one likes to open back up for like maybe even a week. So yeah. Let's go ahead and go see if he's open. If he is, let's go ahead and work on this car. Put this battery in. Alright, so we're here at the shop again. Battery's right here. It's gonna be going in here. I can't really hold this or put this anywhere. So I'm just going to see if I can prop it. If not, I'll show you guys when the battery's in and we're gonna try to, start it. See what happens. But yeah. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, we got that in. So let's see if it starts. I haven't tightened it, but I want to see if we can get a nice little rough start or anything. Get it open. Let's see what happens. Alright, we are in the cabin. It's showing the door is open. There's light in the car. So get the power. So it's out from there. Don't want it to kill us. Neutral, and here we go. And we've got spark, man. It's telling us tire pressure's down. Definitely has spark. Car's running, it's on. I am so happy. Yeah, it started right up with the battery, so I don't know why they took the battery for it. A flat tire right now though, unfortunately. I want to drive it around a little bit. Being stuck here for so long, but car definitely runs for the most part. The bumper's still there. The side. I'm gonna see if I can find something to put air in the tire. Yeah. Car's on. Car's on, boys. Car lives, so Who says you can't buy a car from Copart that's running just with a little bit of work? Nothing's wrong, there's no check engine lights. The only thing is the tire pressure sensor light, and that's no big deal because we can obviously spot it right here that we have a major flat, but the car is running. I'm gonna go play around with it, see what we can get. Alright, after further inspection of the car, drove it out. Car runs fine, but there are a couple key differences in what would be a fully, completely running motor, and I'm gonna show you why. Right here we're having a leak of the power steering fluid. Don't know if this is the actual, we have to replace the entire thing, if there's some type of seal, but I'm gonna have to research that first and find out. You see there's nothing in that reservoir there at all from max to min, so I'm not having power steering. I had to really turn really hard to get it out here, but the car runs fine. And let's go ahead and talk about the things that need to be replaced on the Mazda. Well, first things first, we're gonna need a new hood. It has, like I said earlier, it has a bunch of dents. Let me see if I can put up the light, because the white car is hard to tell. But see all the dents that it has here. We're gonna get a new hood, but of course it's gonna be something nice. I'm not gonna go and get a settle for a stock hood again. We're gonna need new headlights, but we already said that in the last video. We need an inner fender well on the other side, as you can see here. Another inner fender. To cover up all this stuff, you don't want to have that sticking out and destroy the car then. What else do we need here? We have all those things out placed. We need the bracket for the fender and another fender. See, normally there's supposed to be a bracket here for the fender. That's gone. Pretty sure it was destroyed in the crash. As you can see, this side still has it and it's still fine and dandy. Nice black thing that you see over here. Let me put up my thing back to normal. So it's a nice little bracket that's right here. Also need possibly the foam, or if it's a reinforcement bumper that goes here as well. The skid plate has been scrubbing down on the floor, but I'm pretty sure that can be bolted right back on, or I can just remove it if I don't want it. But I think I want to keep everything as stock as possible, so I'll leave that there as well. Really that's about it car wise to have this car back on the road. The tire that was deflated has been inflated again and is running back. The tire pressure sensor light disappeared as pumped. Car is still on as we speak, and everything's running well. I set up the Bluetooth, the radio works, all that stuff. So this car's in pretty good condition. You guys won't really be seeing me drive it much, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with my purchase. It was only I think a total of $1,800, and parts probably will cost around $5 something, and his labor would be another $5, so $3,000 total for, not even $3,000, less than $3,000, $2 something to get this car back running and on the road. And I'm pretty excited about it. I'm gonna give you guys a full detailed list once the build starts, and I'll throw like all the parts and stuff in one of the videos when it's finished running. I don't know what I'm trying. My goal is for February to finish it off and have it on the road, so we're gonna see about that. For now, we'll be driving Luke around, and I have not yet named this car. It's probably gonna be a girl, because a lot of you guys get upset that I name my car Guy, but a guy is always a man's best friend, so I don't know what you guys are talking about. Anyways, glad this video happened today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe for more content on the Mazda and on the 350Z in the back, and I will hit you guys up and catch you guys later. Peace out.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end.